Hello, and we're gonna be myth busting an animal company. So, the first myth is if you do like if you pull out crossbow and a pickaxe, and you put that there, you could step on lava without any damage happening too. I kinda doubt that, but whatever. Alright, let's go. Okay. So if I just... Wait a minute. Whoa. Alright, I'm gonna be using that sometime. Next myth. Was that if you place an object on a landmine, it won't explode until you take it off. So I'm a very gently... Ow! Alright, time for the moment of truth. Alright, last myth. If you throw the cheese over there, it acts as a grenade. So... You can use it, but... It's busted.